Let's compare the Moen Lounge hook to the Moen Lounge towel bar. So these are both really good options if you need a way for people to hang up a towel in a bathroom. The lounge hook here will work great if your towel has some kind of an attachment point that you can put over this hook. So just to show how that looks, if you've got, a tag or anything where you can hang your towel, this works great. It's easy to position it on a smaller wall there, and it's very easy to install comparatively because it's just one piece you're attaching into a stud or using some drywall anchors. The towel bar, on the other hand, much longer. You're going to need a longer section of wall to install this, but it can support more towels, and also it's going to let the towel dry because it's going to spread it out a bit more than if you're just using the hook. Also works for towels that don't have any kind of an attachment point. The downsides with this, again, it is going to take up a much longer stretch of the wall. It's also harder to install because you do have to level this pretty nicely between the two sides, which I found was a little bit tricky to do. So if you want the simplest option, go with a hook. If you want to have multiple towels and a more traditional towel bar format, then this towel bar is a great option, both from Moen.